Welcome back for part 2 of the neon sign DIY neon sign kit. I got the batteries. Just some ones I had found at the day job that were going to just be thrown in the trash. So I said, instead of throwing them in the trash, let me put them to good use and give them a second life. But first, let's make sure the batteries work. And it does. Awesome. Now, let's go ahead and put this neon sign on to the wire. So let's get to it. What do we got to do? Attach the neon wire, and I'm gonna use the provided zip ties to attach the neon wire to. Oh, I gotta make some more room here. Okay, let's undo this. Because I have very little experience with neon other than looking at neon and wearing neon colors. So, oh, okay, okay, so you just gotta, okay, this is very interesting. I wonder what would happen if I was to cut this. You know what? Not going to find out. So I had to rebend this back together because my nephew got to it, and as kids, we all are explorers and wanting to, how could I attach this? Come on. Yeah, because as kids, we are all explorers and we are learning about the world. So I had to bend it back, which it wasn't too bad though. I love my little nephew. It's been awesome seeing him grow up. Seeing him grow up, and it puts a smile on my face. All right, we are close to wrapping up here. Thank goodness. Woo! Oh, hopefully my neighbors didn't hear me too loud. Like, probably wondering, what is that person downstairs yelling for? It is 9:38 in the AM. All right, so got everything threaded, and now what I just have to do is zip tie this stuff up better. And I bought this kit with my own money. This is not sponsored. I got it because I was thinking, it looks cool. Why not give it a try? See if it's actually worth the money. And this whole process has been very, very fun. Even though, as you seen in the previous video, how I was getting frustrated and just being my normal self, impatient, wanting it to be done already. Oh, I'm not sure if I would say I'm an impatient person. Just that I never really done anything like this before. And how my fingers are so big and these zip ties are so tiny. It's almost as if, just imagine a toothpick, but a zip tie. Just a little bit wider and with a flat surface. If you're wondering about the scar and the ones on my hand, I took a tumble the other week. Thankfully, they are all healing up very, very beautifully. And I just gotta put one zip. turn off the lights, but we're not gonna light a candle. We're gonna light up the neon sign. Let me plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. All right, I'm filming a video. Let me film this video and then I'll get to you. Well, you could kind of see it. That's the H-U-S-L, wait a minute. H-U-S-T-L-E. It's alright, I guess. I guess so. That'll have to work, because that's the best I could do with that. I really had fun. I don't know why I just picked up the tripod and started walking around. I really had fun with this. I will probably put it away and revisit it. If any of you out there are interested in this, let me know and I could ship it to you. If you're able to do better with this than me, I'll just sell it to you for half of what I paid for it, if you're interested. If not, I will revisit this later on. Thank you so much for watching, and I almost just fell over the chair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great evening, a great night, great day, or just enjoy being a great person as you are. And I'll catch you later. Thanks so much for watching.